Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Kraken to MetaMask for token swaps step by step clearly. Open the Kraken website or app and log into your account. Navigate to the funding section in your account dashboard. Select the option to withdraw funds. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Enter the amount you want to transfer to MetaMask. Now, open your MetaMask wallet. If you don't have MetaMask installed, download it from the official website and complete the setup. Once in MetaMask, click on your account icon at the top right corner. Select account details to find your wallet address. Copy your wallet address to your clipboard. Return to the Kraken platform and paste your MetaMask wallet address in the designated withdrawal field. Double-check to ensure the address is correct to avoid any loss of funds. Complete any required verification steps for the withdrawal process. Confirm the withdrawal request on Kraken. Wait for the transaction to be processed. Once the withdrawal is complete, check your MetaMask wallet to see the funds. To perform a token swap in MetaMask, click on the Swap tab. Select the token you want to swap from the drop-down menu. Then, choose the token you want to receive. Enter the amount you wish to swap. Review the transaction details and click Swap to proceed. Confirm the transaction in MetaMask once the swap is processed. You can now view your swapped tokens in your MetaMask wallet. Congratulations, you've successfully connected Kraken to MetaMask for token swaps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security email. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.